History is history. We can't change it, but we can learn from it. Learn from our mistakes and improve upon them. Accidents have always happened, and they always will. Dangerous situations will always present themselves. We can look back at historical events, daily life, and working conditions and wonder how they could have been improved knowing what we know today. Well, that could have changed history. Instead, history changes us. It makes us think and rethink, create and invent while we explore and perfect new things and methods, new tools, new ways of living, safer ways. We know General Washington and his troops crossed the Delaware in many overcrowded boats of deplorable conditions, most likely. We don't know how many injuries were sustained by his soldiers during the crossing. Of course, his boats were simple and nowhere near as complex as the boats and ships of today's maritime world. Today, LEM produces marine labels for display of safety and regulatory information, as well as identification of controls, rooms, areas, safe pathways, and more. These labels are manufactured to be waterproof, UV-resistant to fading, and with extreme temperature resistance. They are made with adhesives that meet the requirements of marine long-term applications for permanence. Ben Franklin experimented with his kite and key in a thunderstorm looking for electricity to study its ways and properties and potentials. To our knowledge, he wasn't shocked or injured, but the possibility was present. Today, LEM creates ANSI and OSHA-compliant voltage and wire markers, lockout tags, arc flash labels, and more to provide safety and warning information about dangerous high voltage and related dangers in the utilities industry. Poison gas attacks on the soldiers of World War I prompted the creation of the gas mask, one of the earliest forms of what we currently refer to as PPE or personal protective equipment. The construction of the Golden Gate Bridge propelled the use of the hard hat for construction workers, another new form of PPE. LEM manufactures PPE signage to inform and enforce the use of proper protective equipment for use in a multitude of work environments, many of which require site-specific forms of PPE. LEM Products Inc. has steadily grown from a national source for electrical identification products to a global provider of custom and stock industrial identification and safety products with an ever-expanding range of applications. Today, the company serves a variety of industries, including utilities, electrical, telecommunication, petrochemical, construction, OEM, HVAC, facility maintenance, food processing, transportation, marine, and aerospace. Across these industries and many others, LEM's products are relied upon to simultaneously convey crucial safety, warning and hazard information, fulfill regulatory and commercial standards, and withstand extraordinary conditions. LEM safety identification marks the spot. From space shuttles to wind turbines, luxury yachts to automobiles, telephone poles to transformers, LEM Products Inc. is a global leader in industrial strength warning, safety labels, and identification solutions across industries. Made in America since 1967, our labels, tags, and signs are designed and customized to exceed the demands of major corporations in the world's utility, transportation, and manufacturing markets. LEM's products reach global customers via strategic alliances with resellers and integrated supply chain partners. LEM's expertise in manufacturing industrial-strength labels, tags, and signs makes it possible to meet every standard or uniquely challenging requirement. Our products can be customized to include all of the information required, utilizing materials that will withstand the defined environment. Custom features offered include special color match, carbon set tags, perforated removable sections, barcodes, sequential numbering, dry erase areas, two-side printing, self-laminating covers, custom sizes, UV resistance, color combinations, number and size of eyelets and grommets, materials to suit the application environment. LEM's nearly 50 years of expertise in providing utilities, municipalities, OEMs, and others with durable identification labels, tags, and signs for outdoor and indoor applications have positioned LEM's Products Inc. as a leader in the industrial identification industry. LEM Products, safety identification solutions for all industries.